Hello everyone. This video will guide you on how to change touchpad cursor speed in Windows 11. If on your Windows 11 machine, the touchpad cursor is too sensitive or too slow, you can increase the touchpad cursor speed according to your needs. Windows 11 includes native settings that allow you to change the touchpad cursor speed if it's moving too fast or too slow. Sometimes, your touchpad doesn't cover enough area in a single stroke. In such a case, you need to swipe again to make it across your desktop. Fortunately, using Windows 11 settings, you can adjust your touchpad cursor speed. How to adjust touchpad cursor speed in Windows 11? To increase or decrease the touchpad cursor speed in Windows 11, first open Windows 11 settings by pressing Windows +I keys on the keyboard or any other method. Then, select Bluetooth and Devices in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, click on the touchpad tile. Here, under the Gestures and Interactions section, use the cursor speed slider to increase or decrease your touchpad cursor speed. Please note that hovering the pointer over the slider will display the current speed, 1 to 10. By default, on Windows 11, the default speed is set to 5. However, if it does not fit your requirements, you can lower or higher the value by dragging the slider. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.